Hello everyone, welcome to Learning for Fun. In this series, Math for Fun, we will be teaching you tips and tricks to make math easier. So, in today's lesson, we will be learning how to find a number in a given series. For example, we are starting off with the number 5 and we're adding 8 to it to get the series 5, 13, 21, 29, and 37, and so on. So, the question is, what is the 25th number in this series? You can pause the video now if you want to try it out for yourself, or you can keep watching and we'll give you the solution. Okay, so normally people who don't know the methods I'm about to teach you, they just keep on adding 8 until they get to the 25th number. Not only is that long, but it also, you can make a lot of mistakes in it. So here is the first magic trick. So you just make a chart like this. And in the first row, you put the term number. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way until 25, since 25 is the number that we want. And then we don't want to go any higher than that, because then the others are going to be useless. In the second row is our sequence. 5, 13, 21, 29, 37, until the question mark, which we don't know. That's what we're trying to solve for. This is the same sequence as this one. In the last row, it's multiples of 8. 8 is actually the common difference between all of these. So first you need to find out the common difference, which is 8, like I said. And then you just put multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, until 25 times 8, which is 200. Then you just look for patterns in the chart. So if we're looking for patterns, we can see one, which is the multiples of 8 minus the sequence always gives 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 16 minus 13 is 3. 24 minus 21 is 3. 32 minus 29 is 3. 40 minus 37 is 3. So, to get the answer, we can just do 200 minus the question mark will get us 3. So then if we subtract 3 from 200, we just get 197, which is our answer using the first method. Okay, so that last method, it was good. Like, you could find the answer easily, but it might take a while to see the pattern or to make the chart. So this next method is going to be a bit faster, but you have to be careful in this one. So this is a bit more intuitive. So if you think about it, we're just adding 8. We keep on adding 8 until we get to the 25th number. So we're adding 8 24 times. Remember, not 25, since we don't add 8 to get to 5. 5 is just there. So we add 8 24 times. So it's 24 times 8. But we have to be careful. We can't stop here because we started off with 5. So we have to add 5, and that also gives the answer 197. Now, using this method, we can actually find a formula for this, which if we wanted to find the nth number, which n is just a variable, you can substitute for it for anything. We use n minus 1 times the common difference between the terms, and common difference is usually denoted as r. So n minus 1 times r plus the starting point. So in this case 5. And I just abbreviate starting point as SP. And this is our formula for finding a particular number in a given series if you have the starting point and the common difference. Okay, so again, this is the formula where n stands for the number you're trying to find out. R is the common difference between the numbers, so you can just to find r, you can just subtract the second number from the first number, and whatever you get is r. And SP is just the starting point, so the first number there is. If you want to memorize this, you can memorize it, but also you can just think about it intuitively, because you have to add the common difference, like the number of times minus 1, because you don't have to add it to get to 5. Okay, so these are some follow-up questions which you can do to make sure you learned the concept. So this first one is, what is the 1000th number in this sequence? This is the same sequence that we just did, except you have to find the 1000th number instead of the 25th. The second one actually covers a concept that we have not done yet, but we're going to learn in the next video. So you can watch that one. So it's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 5 plus 1000. So what does that equal? The answers to these will be in the next video, as well as the concepts to this one, but you can post the answers in the comments. And remember, this is the channel where we teach you magic tricks with an X to make math easier. Thank you for watching, and be sure to watch the next.